Hello and welcome to Psyched About Love. And today I am super psyched. I am really excited because I'm here at a retreat center about to start tomorrow morning at a Getting the Love You Want workshop. And it's a workshop for couples based on Harville Hendricks' Imago theory. I'm an Imago therapist, which is why I'm really excited about it, because I completely believe in this method of working with couples. Some of the big names in couples therapy are Gottman and Sue Johnson in attachment therapy. And what I really love about Imago therapy is it takes some of the core basics of other theories and puts them together in a way that you can work with them, with your couple in the room. So for example, John Gottman he calls the horsemen of the apocalypse, and they are things that, based on his research, and he is a stellar, probably the preeminent researcher in relationships, that based on these things, if a couple is consistently displaying them, he can predict with like 97% accuracy the demise, failure of a relationship. And the horsemen of the apocalypse are contempt and criticism and defensiveness and stonewalling. And when you're working in an Imago construct, those things just aren't even allowed in the room. I don't need to see you fight the way you fight at home, because that's why you're coming to me, because you're tired of doing it that way. So in an Imago dialogue, those things just never happen. Sue Johnson is super attachment based, which I think is fascinating, and she brings neuroscience into it, which I also think is fascinating. And Imago works with that in the room, because you could probably distill so much of Sue Johnson's work into, are you there for me? Do you have my back? Can I count on you? And again, in Imago, the answer is yes, 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 and yes, because as you sit facing your partner is reflecting your words to you, using empathy and compassion and slowing things down, and you get a real sense of being heard, possibly the first time in years and years and years. So the answer to are you there for me is yes. And when you bring neuroscience into that, the brain is more relaxed when it knows what to expect. So you know that when you are in this dyadic process, you're facing each other, you're creating this wonderful, warm, trusting, safe, relational space, your brain goes, and then your body goes, because you don't need to go in reptilian fight, flight, or freeze mode, because you know that your partner is there in that moment just for you. So this coming weekend is an entire weekend filled with that, where couples have come to improve their relationship, to get psyched about love again, and I'm so happy to be here and sharing it with them, helping to facilitate A.V. Schaffner with this, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye.